Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. If I put number 0 gone here and here, we have f of number 0 minus f of number 0 because they are the same, so you got 0. This one we have 0. That means we have 0 over 0, and we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we know that first derivative f of 2s, we have first derivative f of 2s, and we need to do first derivative of 2s. This one we have first derivative f of s. This one we have number 1. So this one we have number 2. And now if I put number 0 gone here and here, we have like this. So we need to simplify, and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.